Hello and welcome to my course. My name is Odolena and I'm a digital marketing professional with over 6 years of full-time working experience. In this course, I'm going to teach some simply working marketing strategies which I've learned myself applying into my own business and also in the businesses of hundreds of other small enterprises that I've consulted. These are strategies that are simply working and also functioning internationally in different countries and different business objectives. I worked in throughout the UK, but also with companies all over the globe, and this is all proven with real budgets, real products, and real business objectives. A few words about me. I started my career in 2011 working for Google on an initiative called the Digital Garage, or now also famous as the Google Juice Bar. This is me on this first event. Our purpose on this event was traveling around the UK and meeting small business owners and consulting them on how to establish their business online, how to create professional digital marketing presence. Meeting all these digital marketing businesses and owners made me think of the struggles that they are facing every time when starting a business. This is why I created this course. I'm going to focus on something which I call the three pillars of digital marketing. These are just simple principles which are often neglected, even though they're very applicable and very important. This is suitable if you're just starting your course in business or if you're already established business owner and you're looking to expand and get better results in digital marketing. The first one that I'm going to focus on is traffic, generating the right traffic and getting people on your website on low cost or just for free. And I'm going to show you some simple ways which I have applied myself, which simply worked for me and also for a lot of people in the digital marketing field. Then I'm going to focus on capturing or lead generation, which is something that you've probably heard about many times, but believe me, so many websites out there missing on huge opportunities when it comes to creating leads from their web visitors. This is a simple strategy how to actually turn people into inquiries, lead them to inquire about your business before they're actually ready to buy from you. And then I'm going to focus on email marketing or conversion. This is section where we're going to talk about writing the right email content, segmenting your list, and also how often to email, who to when, and what kind of messages. This is all a funnel of digital marketing which helps you transform every web visitor who is by nature a skeptic into a loving and devoted fan, into someone who is looking forward to hearing from you every month and ready to buy your newest product because they simply love what you do. So stay with me, and I'm looking forward to working with you throughout the next few lectures.